guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not seen y'all since last year. Can y'all believe that? I have not made a video since Christmas, so I just wanted to come on here really quick, say Happy New Year. Today is actually January 6th, but Happy New Year. Hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. I took those few days in there off so I could spend time with my family and my loved ones, and I enjoyed it so much. But your girl is back, and I decided to give y'all a special kind of video today. Today we're gonna go look at some apartments here in Charlotte because my empty apartment tour got so much traction, and I got a lot of questions about the area and other apartments that I would recommend and different things like that. So I figured that it'd be easier if I just show y'all the other apartments that I was looking at and the other apartments that are available around here, because there are so many apartments that are newly built right here near me and they're cheaper. So I just want to come on here and show you guys those really quick. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're going to get this day started. Doing this, but I'm too busy looking at stuff. This is so pretty. Like, I really love this. And your pool. So with the mailroom, the leasing office, you can only get the mail while leasing office is open.
No,
right?
there's a door to the mailroom that you have access to it 24/7.
Okay. That's pretty cool. You started with this.
So we're gonna have a coffee station in here, as well as an ice maker, a little oven area, so you can kind of entertain if you'd like. There's also Wi-Fi down here and cable, pool table, so it's a really fun little hangout spot.
This is really pretty. Oh, we went down?
Yeah.
I know we went up. I love this. The color scheme is really, really pretty.
Yeah.
And I love that. I don't even know how big this canvas is, but I love it. Because I paint as well, and
cool.
I love that. This is so pretty.
Lounge seating, there's tables, 2 gas grills out here as well.
Oh, wow. This is really nice. I gotta stop saying that. You know it's nice.
No, I love hearing that. We also have bike storage.
And a dog spa.
Yep, and there's dog spas in there.
I don't have a dog, but I like them.
Yeah.
I love the smell of a new place. This is so open. I'm in love. Let's start here. The washer and dryer. And the storage. Oh, it's perfect. This is way bigger than my washer and dryer.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Those are big. These cabinets are gorgeous.
And so much cabinet space too.
This is like really pretty. This is so nice. And it's a lot of outlets. That's another thing I like.
Yeah.
It's a lot of outlets because I need space for my coffee machine.
Exactly.
Everything.
Blenders.
I have a closet. Oh, this is so good. And this is the first bathroom, right?
Yeah, that's the guest bath.
Okay. Nice. Very nice. This is a nice big mirror too. That mirror is nice size.
Yeah.
So much space. Hello.
Much better.
Okay, so I had some storage issues just now, which I cannot believe happened during that time. But of course, I'm gonna leave all these links to this complex down below. So yeah, we're gonna go to the next one now. Okay, so I had to do a voiceover for the actual tour because inside this unit, which was very, very beautiful, they had a little alarm clock radio in the kitchen. So I had to get that out of there because it's playing music and I don't want to get this video demonetized. So yeah, when you first walk in, there's an entryway, washer and dryer, stainless steel appliances. I actually have the same appliances in my unit right now at my own house, but these farm style doors are really gorgeous. The water heater is to the left. That door is locked and remains locked. The washer and dryer is included, as well as all of the appliances. Beautiful white backsplash, tons of cabinet space, small island, and the dining room itself is actually right here where you see that table in the center. It's actually quite small, but if you're not looking for like big space like that, like open space so much, like the area is open but the dining room is small, which is fine if you don't plan to have a lot of people. But if you have the 2 seats here, the island, the way that they have it set up, as well as the chairs for your dining room table, you actually be fine. You can honestly fit 4 chairs there, but tons of cabinet space. Even under the island has space and outlets on both sides of it. Large pantry. The door is also consistent with the doors throughout the unit. And as I mentioned, the floor plan is open. The way that they decorated it is really, really pretty. Like, it's a very warm and inviting feeling when you're in here. I don't know if it's the gray doors and the tones that they used in here, but it very much feels like home. The bathroom does come with the framed mirror, and the sink is a little bit small, but still very nice. Same granite countertops as it has in the kitchen as well. And the curved shower rod with the heightened one at the top, just for some glam. Nice size bathtub. I believe that one was a garden size tub. And nice size closet for the guest bedroom or second bedroom, whichever one you want to make it. But it's a nice size closet. Lots of storage in there. The rooms are kind of small, but a decent size for a guest bedroom. And you are allowed to mount the TVs on your walls, and you are allowed to paint. You just have to paint it back when you leave. On to the master bedroom, as well as the ensuite. Now this mirror, don't get me wrong, I have a mirror like that, but that one is bigger. And I just, if you could actually hear me in this video, you would hear that I'm acting like, oh my gosh, this mirror, because it's so pretty. But again, framed mirror in the bathroom. But this bathroom has a walk-in shower instead of the bathtub. So if you want to take a bath, you just go to the other bathroom, which is fine. Nice size closet, not too big, but a nice size nonetheless. Has a light, tons of storage space, and there's cabinets under the sink. We're gonna go around there, and if you close the door, there is storage behind the door as well. Love that, because you can never have too much storage in a bathroom. So yeah, that is basically it. I'm just turning lights out and just looking around at how homey it feels, and I'm gonna give you guys a good look at it from the patio door, just so you can see the way that it looks from the opposite end of the apartment. Okay, so I'm back home now, and I just wanted to make sure that I came on here and thanked you guys for joining me today. I only got to see 2 different complexes because of the time that it is right now. It was really late, but I was able to get to 2 of them. So make sure you guys subscribe, because I'm gonna go tomorrow and check out 1, 2, I think 3 more places tomorrow. So make sure you guys are subscribed so that you don't miss that video. We're doing live tours, so make sure you guys subscribe so that you can see what Charlotte has to offer. Once again, I'm actually not looking to move. I'm just doing this for you guys because you guys had so many questions, and that video has over 7,000 views. If you have not seen it, I will link it up here. But I just wanted to make sure that I'm giving you guys options, because the prices and everything are different for both of those places. And the one that I'm going to see tomorrow, it is so affordable. Like, if I didn't need all of my amenities that I have here, I would definitely be trying to move to that one just because of the price. So I'm gonna end this video here. All of the links will be down below so that you guys can find these places, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.